What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to 876 RC Dragsters. And right now, as the car sits and wait for the other parts to come in, you guys by now are supposed to know my style. I'm all about customization and little DIY projects here and there going about. So right now I'm just showing off my custom wide body conversion that I did. It's not 100% finished as yet. I have to now paint it. I have to smooth out some more things with it, to kind of get it, looking scale. So it's getting there. The only thing that I have to do now is to just smooth it out some more and then paint it. I will be painting the front black. So from the bonnet come forward, I'll be painting black. And yeah, this is what it is. This won't be a long vlog today. As you know, I am trying to finish up the car. I have to get some spray paint for it, but not sure if I'm going to get it today or tomorrow. But as you can see, the car looks even more mean than how it used to look. There we go. Let me just remove this real quickly. Yeah guys, so this is how it looks. Wide body conversion. Everything is sitting quite flush. I just have to fix this part here. Yep, so there you go. So this is what it is, guys. You can see the difference. I took it out and did out the test run after I finished with the fabrication, and I got most of it done. Put back a little lip here, as you can see, and there it is. More to come on it. I'm gonna be spraying it up now, and as I said, waiting for the other parts to come in, because when I get the other part, that's what's gonna really bring it together, and you guys gonna see where I'm going with it. But so far so good. It's not the best because these parts that I had lying around, the fender flares and whatever, I had to customize them and cut and shape and whatever and mold. So that's what it is. It's not looking too bad. I know when it's spray up and everything, it should be a little bit better. I'm gonna do something about the front gap right here, but as I said, stay tuned, more to come with that. Like, share and subscribe and leave a comment, and follow the movement, and there'll be more. Thanks for watching.